So we've just hopefully looked at partial function applications. That's the idea of only using part of a function to act like another function. Well, function composition is sort of the opposite. So this is the process of adding two functions together to create a new function. So instead of making a new one, just using two other functions to create effectively another function. So for example, if you imagine we have two functions, it doesn't matter what they do. So we've got two functions, f and we've got g. So in f, a is what you input and b is what you output. So a is the domain, b is the codomain. In g, b is the domain and c is the codomain. So b is what you input and c is what you output. If you did composition of these two functions, it would mean the result of function f becomes the input for g. So it would go f would go a to b would become the input for g, and then obviously the output c. So a function composition of the two result in a being the codomain and a being the domain and c being the codomain. All right, so a function composition of our functions f and g here would mean a is the domain, a is the input, and c is what's returned because we're joining those two functions together.